In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to set up your PayPal business page. So let's get started. First of all, is that you want to go here into paypal.com and then you would want to sign up for a new account. So from here, you would want the business one since we would want a business page and click on get started. And basically, you just need to complete this process. So provide all the details about your business account, first name, middle name, last name, email address, and password. And just simply click here on these tick or this box and click on agree and create account. And then once you have completed this process, you will now be taken here into the dashboard. But from here, before you do anything, it is absolutely necessary that you go and add more profile info like your business documents just to prove that you are you, your business, and so on, like that for the tax and for legal purposes. You would need to complete this first before you can proceed into anything right here in PayPal. And to do that, you just simply need to click here if you have this notice right here on your dashboard. And then from here, you can now proceed into completing your profile and providing the documents or the necessary information. You should have that pop up or prompt when you created your business account. And then once you're done, the next thing you want to link your bank account in here. So click on link a bank and then just simply provide your bank details in here. And again, as you can see, I cannot proceed because I don't have my business profile completed. So it's absolutely necessary. And then once you have linked your bank account, the next thing is that you would want to go here into pay and get paid. And now you would want to go here into the PayPal checkout, or you could also create payment links and buttons. So this can serve as your business page right here. So what I like to do is I go here into paypal.me also and make sure that you have this set up so that you could just send this link into your customers. And this is where you could see, or they could see your business page and your PayPal account, and this is where they can pay you. So this is also a game changer and can serve as a good a business page for your PayPal or for your business. And yeah, there are a lot of ways. You could also go for payment links and buttons where you could set it up. But as you can see, I would need to complete my business info and so on. So you go for PayPal checkout where you can set up your PayPal checkout, this one right here. So it's more like a website. So this could also be a really good business page. So that's it on how you'd be able to create your PayPal business page. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.